In this video, I will be showing you how to use the summary bar in Airtable's timeline view to quickly draw conclusions about the data inside your timeline view. So we have our tasks here in a grid view, and we want to add a new field here that stores the estimated number of hours per task. So let's go ahead and create a number field for that information. And we're going to assign some arbitrary numbers here. Okay. Let's go ahead and refresh that. All right, so we have the number of hours for every single task, and we're going to go ahead and go to our timeline view, which we already created. And as you can see, all the tasks are plotted on our timeline. I'm going to remove one of the groupings so that's a little bit more simple. Now we want to see for each one of these groups, as well as all together, how much time is estimated for the tasks per unit. So right now this is broken up into weeks. So the summary is going to be done based on each week. We can also change this to days if we wanted to see the summary per day, but that's going to be a little bit cluttered. So we're going to stay with weeks for now. And then on the bottom, you're going to see this summary bar, right? So we have the ability to click that and choose which aggregation function we use for our summary. We're going to use the sum since we want to see the total number of hours estimated for the tasks for that particular week. So this little menu will pop up where you can choose the function, the calculation field. It's already going to be set to be the number field that we chose here. We're going to set the label. So right now it's just sums, but we can change this to something like estimated hours. It's going to pop up down here. And we can change the color as well depending on what level the summary value is at. So for example, if you wanted to show a different color anytime the summary number, the estimated number of hours is greater than 5, you can set that. That will give you the ability to quickly see which weeks are overloaded in terms of tasks and which weeks are not. We're going to go ahead and remove that now. And then we have the ability to show it in the bottom summary bar as well as on the group level for the owners. All right, so one thing to know about this is when you do these summaries, this task right here is a total of 2 hours, and this task here is a total of 3 hours. So for this first week, it's going to add 2 and 3 together to give you an estimated number of hours of 5. And then since this task spans over the second week, it isn't going to just split that 2 hours in half. It's going to give you the whole 2 hours in both weeks. So the estimated number of hours for this week of the 20th is also going to be 2 hours since this task falls in that week. And then again, you can change the time scale and you're going to see your aggregation at a different level depending on which split you use. Okay, so that is how to use the summary bar in Airtable's timeline view. Stay tuned for the next video.